Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the deep fried effect or increase your contrast in a certain clip in SHOTCUT. Post-production SHOTCUT here, and I just wanted to include that this filter is great for memes and anything related to that. So right here we have a fairly standard clip of just a goal save, and then around this area I have the clip cut so that I can apply that filter as soon as I hit the ball. So what I want to do is highlight the clip in red, head over to filters, which I'm already on, hit the plus arrow, make sure you're selected video, and then search up contrast, and you're going to come up with contrast. And surprisingly, it's very simple. All you have to do is head over to level and increase it to your amount. I worked somewhere around like 97-ish or like 94 right now. Seems to work for this color contrast I have going on in the clip, so I'm gonna leave it there and it should play with the deep fried effect. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content, and make sure to comment other things you want to see. Peace out.